I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Good afternoon.
You're all ready for the final tonight wearing your Mumbai City kit.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm here in Mumbai itself. I couldn't go to Kolkata for some personal reasons, so that's why I'm staying here back in home to cheering my team. That's the one thing.
Excellent. See, we are also cheering because, as you know, our younger son Kai plays for Mumbai City. So we
That's
are. I'm
that's
also
what I
cheering
got
for
to
them.
know about it.
Yeah.
That's
So
what.
do you? Are you the official? Like you take
No,
you
no.
take photos of the matches, or what is the like? How did it all happen?
So it's I'm a freelance photographer. I'm not directly connected with club yet so far, but the club knows me because I'm doing freelancing. Because it's obviously that it's obviously I'm a fan of Mumbai City FC first,
Yeah.
because I'm been supporting Mumbai City FC ever since in 2016 something. Yes, and that's what it where it starts actually. Then I did my graduation in 2018, and then start doing photography as a profession. Then all of a sudden I'm doing not in sports but a lot of in celebrities and the model fashion. I've been into that, but after certain years I realized that Mumbai City is the only option. I think in sports photography I didn't actually discover it yet, so I thought to go for it, and that's where it all started. The ISL, then the Mumbai City FC young games. I mean, under 15, under 13s. I covered DPDL last season. I covered this season also. I covered ISL throughout, and some
Super.
young players are playing. So that's how it starts actually. It's been around 2 seasons. I mean, being a freelance is as long as I'm not working with a club, I'm just enjoying my time being as a freelance independently. If obviously if there is any call from the club at some other point of time, I might be working with the club one day for sure. Things have been turned out so quickly in the profession for around 6 years and a half years, if I'm not wrong. It's been a very tough journey at the same time. Uh, although it wasn't actually expected that I start doing photography and covering matches of Mumbai City FC back home, because it's very near, because I live in Mumbai. I born brought up in Mumbai, so obviously the emotional connections towards the team is already automatically comes actually. So it's been a very different it's a very different experience being a fan, now being a profession from the last 2 seasons. To control the holding the emotions are different. Being as a fan, you have to be cheering your team at the same time. But as a profession, you have to keep control your emotions sometimes, because as being a profession, so it's difficult. But I enjoying my time myself as being a freelance, and
Super.
and, and
No,
I and I my
excellent.
own my agency. So that is, I have my
Yeah.
own business. So that is in photography itself. So I don't mind actually, as long as I'm enjoying it, and as long as they like my work, I really enjoy the work. That's how
That's
it happens.
super. No, I think it's great. And frankly, sports is so exciting. So many things are exciting. But for me personally, I've become such a football mom. And of course, and tennis, because both our kids play both the sports. And, it's so exciting going for the matches. And I understand now the whole concept of soccer parents because we all get so excited. The cheering is like another level. So thank you because all of your pictures that you all take are just so fabulous. So and I'm always amazed. The pictures are so like professional. The kids all look like really And as you very kindly said, I think all these kids because they watch so much, they're exposed to the whole international football community as well. Um,
Yeah.
it's amazing that they actually learn a lot apart from their own training, which is fantastic, but from other players and like you mentioned about form and all.
So with West Coast Brigade, obviously,
Yes,
they are my friends and my family, everything, which where I started actually supporting it.
that's
So coming
true.
back and supporting the team as a fan, it's a different feeling. I wish I could have been traveled to Kolkata, but for some personal reason, I couldn't be traveled to Kolkata. Once I did, but obviously losing the Shield game on the same on the same night.
No, but
But it's okay.
so thank you. Good luck today. Good luck to everyone. Aarti Mumbai. Come on, Mumbai.
Come on, Mumbai.
Thanks, Ranjit.
Come on,
Yes,
Mumbai.
yes,
Yes, thank you so
absolutely.
much. Thank
Bye,
you so much.
Shivam. Thank you so much for
Nice to meet you.
joining.
Nice to meet you once
Same
again.
to you. Same to you. And thank you all for joining. Such a pleasure. Take care and have a fabulous Saturday. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.